Hey everyone, it's Trader Rob. Today is Wednesday, October 8th. I'm just going to start off. Did anybody catch the moves that I gave you guys on Sunday? If you guys watched that video with my tradable levels from Sunday and you didn't profit from it somehow, please pay attention to the videos. Please pay attention to the videos. These tradable levels are as strong and as consistent as possible. I'm just looking right now at the ES, okay? I post this in my Discord each morning when, we get to this level, and the reactions are just ridiculous. Gave you guys a level. My video came out October 5th, so we're right about here. And the rejection from this level, this is an hour chart. If I go down to the 2-minute, there are so many tradable scalps from this exact line at 67.93 that it's really ridiculous. And the NQ, the same. It's the absolute same. We came right back up, came into the 25.16. Look at the rejection there. Look at the rejection there. These are like 100... these are 100-point moves. And you can see where it had a very hard time getting through that band and finally was able to blow up to the upside. So please pay attention to the levels, and you guys you'll surprise yourself. Let me get into, I don't have a lot of updates. I've got, I think, 3 new tradable levels and 1 band that I got to change on the NQ. Should be a short video. Thought my video on Sunday would be the last video that I record in this studio that's served me really well for the last 3 years. It's kind of sad because a lot of my stuff from behind me is kind of missing. It's all been moved to downstairs studio, which is pretty badass if I say so myself. So I'm super excited for that. I'm super excited to go live next week. So let's get into the intro, and I'll get into the new tradable levels. As always, nothing that I state on my channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital that is put out there is at risk for loss. All right, so starting off, all we got to do really on the NQ is we got to adjust this band, which served as an absolute line in the sand. Could not get past this band that I had here. And it's not luck. There's a reason why you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 hours of price action that it took for this market to finally break out of this band that it was sitting in. The rejections here, let me just pull up my Discord. This is my video from Sunday. Gave you guys new weekly bands. Gave you guys just 4 tradable levels. 3 of them hit very well. First one, rejection off the 25.16, good for 22 points. That was the first move. That was the first move that it did when it tapped into the 25.16. We finally broke through it. The ES, 67.93, I already showed you guys that. 40-point move to the downside. 40 points on the ES is ridiculous, people. What's this one? This is a trade signal I had as a winner, TP1, TP2. Look at this. When we finally came back, when we made the rotation back into the level at the 25.116, look at this rejection. That is a huge move on the NQ. This isn't some mystical, magical line that I just find in the wind. This is a combination of my levels, volume, and an area that I know will be defended or rejected very, very well. And these, as I've always said, my tradable levels are scalpable. On the NQ, 15 points, you should always be targeting. You can get more. You can get a lot more. Personally, on the NQ, honestly, if I can get 12 to 15 points on the NQ, I'm as happy as a clam. The ES, if you can get 5 points, that's fantastic. That's a great scalp at $50 a point. You see these moves. I mean, the moves are even much bigger than that. So as far as my update for this Wednesday, so for this coming Thursday and Friday, this this weekly band is going to get adjusted to 25,112 up to 25,042. Okay, so did I not type that in right? Oh no, it did move up. I'm sorry. Yeah, so the level did move up. The band did move up. So this tradable level, which served us so very damn well, I can now delete, and we will add 2 tradable levels on the NQ. Dot 25,152. Boom. Chart it up. Make sure you've got it on your chart. 25,152. Second tradable level is going to sit at the 25,042. So pretty much right at the bottom of this band, okay, where all of this price action happened. I know it's a little tough to see because it's at the same level as the bottom of this band, but hopefully you guys can see that there. 25,042. There also should be some kind of pop-up that shows that level, just in case you're looking for it. Below us, we've got the 24,911. And that's it as far as close tradable levels that we've got. We got another band sitting down here at the 24,815 down to the 24,749. All right, now let's take a look at the ES. ES, I do not have to do any change to this weekly band. There is no weekly band above us, obviously. We're in pretty much all-time highs. But there's no band through here right now. This is the only band that we have closest to price action currently. I do not need to make any adjustment to this weekly level, this tradable level at the 67.21. Hopefully you guys can see that. That did not get tapped into. Now, this absolute beast of a barrier of 67.93, I can now remove. And there's just one level that I need to add as of right now. And I'm going to give you a reason why there's not many more levels here. 67.73. Mark it up on your charts and see what kind of reaction we get. Now, the reason why we don't have a ton of tradable levels is that price action has consolidated. Even though we have been, pushing the envelopes in the market, it's pretty much been sideways for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, okay? Yeah, we get the pushes, but we get the retracements. We get the pushes, we get the retracements. So the freshest tradable level that I've got is at the 67.73. And I believe, the NQ also was, consolidating here. We finally broke out today out of this consolidation to the upside. So we'll see here what price action wants to do. And then one thought that I had was, is the email that I send out to everyone that watches these videos that have gone to the website, which is robstrades.com. Put your name, your email in there. I send you out every Sunday a report with all of the weekly bands, all of them, every single one that's in play, all of the tradable levels, and they get emailed to you every Sunday. I have asked a few times, if you guys want to leave in the comment below, if you guys think that I should send them Sunday and Wednesday, as I will be continuing my midweek review going forward. If you guys find that helpful, I will do that. My only issue has always been I don't want to be sending people tons of emails. Really, the only email I send out is the email from Sunday's tradable levels. but I don't want to inundate because I actually hate receiving a shit ton of emails as well. So unless I get overwhelmingly positive remarks about sending it out on Wednesdays in the comments, we'll keep it to just Sundays for right now. Wishing you guys the absolute best in your trading days for tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. And again, like I've mentioned, I will be going live. I believe it's going to be next Wednesday. I think I said the 14th, but it's going to be the 15th of October, 8:30 in the morning. So I hope you guys all join. Should be fun. You guys will learn. I guarantee you will learn a shit ton of stuff for sure. If you haven't, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you guys soon.